Freddy, are you reading the animal book of life and wisdom?
So if we could, I would like to